What happens right after the tortoise eggs hatch? A. The scientists take the tortoises back to their islands. B. The scientists get rid of cats, dogs, and other animals. C. The sailors use the tortoises for food. D. The scientists raise the tortoises in special pens. Or E. The scientists encourage the villagers to help. Let's start by locating where tortoise eggs hatching is mentioned in the text. We find this in the 7th paragraph, which tells us that the scientists started looking for wild tortoise eggs. They gathered the eggs and put them in safe containers. When the eggs hatched, the scientists raised the tortoises in special pens. The word when here indicates the sequence. First the eggs hatched, and then the scientists raised the tortoises in special pens. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and mark D, the scientists raised the tortoises in special pens, as our final answer.